What's up, y'all? So I am back to do another hair review / slay on this lovely hair that I purchased from Amazon. And if you are interested in watching the process, then keep watching. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the box. Very soft. And this is the hairline on the wig, and I'm just showing you all the parting space and how far back it goes. One of the things I love the most about this wig is the fact that it already came pre-plucked. So the hairline is nice and natural. And here I'll be showing you how long the baby hairs come. Like I said, the party space on this wig goes back pretty far, so it gives you pretty much free range to do whatever you want. Cornrows in the front, half up, half down. Party space is really natural. And this is a 360 wig, so you can pull it up in a ponytail, and if you choose to do so, you can also, gel it or glue it down in the back so it looks more natural when you pull it up in a bun. Or you can just sew it down however you want. So now what I'm getting ready to do is bleach the knots on this hair. And basically all I did was just follow the instructions on the box. Alright, so y'all, this is basically my first time even bleaching knots on a wig. And so what I did was, before doing this, I looked up on how to bleach knots. And basically, if this is your first time, make sure that the bleach is nice and thick like that. And before you apply it, basically just don't pat the bleach into the lace. You basically want to rub it so that it doesn't bleed onto the other side, so it doesn't bleach your roots. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm basically just swiping the bleach onto the lace instead of patting it. And I do not have the correct brush, but I am doing my best with what I have. And you want to really do this with a light hand. I am doing my best to not pat the bleach into the hair. Just basically just lightly swiping it. Although it may not look that way, I'm using a very light hand to apply the bleach. To let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we'll come back and we will rinse it out. And this is the hair fully washed and conditioned. I first conditioned it with the conditioner that came with the bleach, and then I turned around and I shampooed the hair. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm blow drying the foundation that I put in place on the lace to tint it and match my skin tone. And basically how I locked that in was I put some Got To Be Glue freeze spray on it and blow dried it. And what I used to gel down my lace was some Got To Be Glued gel in the tube, and I locked it in with the Got To Be Glued freeze spray. And I didn't record the part where I laid my baby hairs down, but as soon as I did that, I basically tied it up and I slipped on it. And this is the next day with my hair all brushed out and air dried and everything. Now I'm about to make these curls pop, and basically all I use is some water, some Cantu Shea butter, and some Fructis anti-freeze spray. And while I do that, I just want to get into a little bit more specs about the hair. This hair is 20 inches long. It is also very, very soft. And as you can see, it has a really, really nice curl pattern. And the company that I got this hair from is called Jessica Hair. And what it came with was a wig cap, a net wig cap, and a elastic band. That's for, you know, for whoever doesn't like to glue their wigs down or gel their wigs down in the front. You can actually sew the elastic band on the inside and have it fit snug on your head, but I decided not to do that because I like this extra secure look on myself by gelling it down. Also, I got very minimal shedding with this hair, and with it being curly, it's gonna shed, but it was, you know, it wasn't that bad. It was very minimal, but we will see as time goes on. And look, you guys, I had to go to the bathroom and just wet up the rest of my hair because that hair was thick, as you can see, and I really didn't have the patience to sit there and spray each section by section and detangle it and make the curls pop. So what I did was I basically just wet the rest of my hair and applied the rest of the product. So yeah, and like I said, the hair is really thick. For it to be 150 density, it's very thick, but it still looks very natural even when you do wear it wet, where the wet looks. It's thick, but it's also believable, if you get what I'm saying. And I just love the wet look on myself. I love the way this hair just pops when you run the brush through it. Make sure, if you want to make your curls pop, get you a detangler brush. As you can see, I am really feeling this hair. I really like it a lot. I definitely recommend it to people who are going for low maintenance curly hair, that you know you don't want to do that much to it, but you still want it to pop and give you everything that you need. I really love this hair by Jessica Hair, and I would definitely order from them again. I would. But if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Love you all. Peace.